There's a place where you can build a career, have a family, start out at any level. You can come into the lowest rung on that ladder and you can work your way up. And that doesn't happen very many places.
Absolutely. And, you know, people talk about the American dream, right? And they talk about when you're young, we tell people, you know, if you just work hard and, you know, you try hard, keep your head down, you can be whatever you want to be. And I think that people are starting to lose sight of that because in a lot of industries, that's just become cliche. There's a lot of glass ceilings, but this industry, and I'm a testament to that, is the one true thing that you can really realize that American dream. Again, how are you all at the U.S. Center for Advanced Manufacturing connecting people with these jobs? How are you helping them realize that vision?
We work with a partnership group. We're a public-private partnership. We work with a group of partners, and all of our partner companies are committed to full diversity, and that includes reevaluating what their actual job descriptions look like, reevaluating what it looks like to get in. I'm concerned about, we talk about AI, and I want to find some way that AI can help with a problem that AI may have created, which is that people filter resumes out looking for buzzwords. And if you're from the wrong neighborhood, the wrong background, you don't understand, you have no idea what words you're supposed to say that mean, I want to work in robotics. You can say that sentence, I want to work in robotics.